Welcome to episode 17 of the 5-Minute Investor Podcast, where Stockhouse columnists Jonathan Brown and me, Trevor Abes, each deliver a 2.5-minute stock pick related to recent news stories with investment implications. This week, we're covering Canadian technology companies excelling in the aerospace industry, each of which recently landed a value-accretive contract that bodes well for future value creation. John, tell us about your pick and the particular part of the sky it focuses on.
Trevor, this one's kind of ironic, given their business is in the sky usually, but now they're working at sea. This first one is MDA Space, trades in the TSX under the ticker MDA, and holds a market cap of 4.1 billion Canadian. As the name implies, it operates in Canada's space industry, everything from communication satellites, Earth and space observation, and even space exploration infrastructure. But its latest venture is a little closer to home. Late last week, the company announced that it was awarded $60 million Canadian in contracts to deliver and integrate 2 advanced sensor systems for the Royal Canadian Navy's River-class destroyer warships. These systems are designed to enhance situational awareness and defend against laser and optically guided threats abroad for the first 3 ships of the fleet. It was very timely news, too, as the same day it came out, it was also announced that Canada would contribute 5% of its GDP to defense, as per its latest agreement with NATO. Given the tensions abroad and south of the border these days, this is a topic of business that is only going to become more common in our lives. There's no business like war business. As of this recording, MDA Space stock is up 144% compared to this time last year, almost 13% growth since where the year began. Now, Trevor, what aerospace stock do you have to educate us about?
John, my stock pick this week is Volatus Aerospace, ticker FLT on the Venture Exchange, market capitalization $147.97 million, a drone solutions provider for intelligence and cargo serving the oil and gas, utilities, healthcare, and public safety industries. Since merging with Drone Delivery Canada in August 2024, Volatus has grown revenue by over 21 times from $1.24 million in 2023 to $27.15 million in 2024, including record blended gross margins of 38% in Q4 2024. The company followed this up with $5.71 million in revenue in Q1 2025, supported by a 30% year-over-year improvement in adjusted EBITDA to a loss of $978,000, adding conviction to its path to profitability. This path is only fortified by the company's recently signed national crop intelligence contract with a top agricultural technology provider in North America. The contract will see Volatus conduct multispectral aerial surveys across 21 agricultural sites in Alberta, Ontario, Manitoba, and Quebec, with each site set to undergo 2 surveys at strategic moments in the growing season to shed light on how to best optimize for crop health as well as performance. Volatus stock has added 100% in June alone, driven by strong Q1 results, a follow-on investment from Investissement Québec, and an oversubscribed $5 million financing to allow it to advance a growing number of partnerships under its purview. Should the company's balance sheet and income statements continue to improve, look for this upward trend to continue, with buy-the-dip opportunities remaining in play given the stock's minimal market capitalization and inconsistent liquidity. As always, you can find links to the articles from today's episode in the show notes, and you can find more investing insights on Stockhouse and the market online. The 5-Minute Investor is on Spotify, YouTube, iHeartRadio, Podbean, Stockhouse, or wherever finer podcasts are found. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you on Monday. The material provided in this podcast is for information only and should not be treated as investment advice. For full disclaimer information, please visit themarketonline.ca/disclaimer.